Om. Namaste. Hope yesterday's program was blissful to many persons who participated. There are some missing dots which I wanted to connect. Many members have sent their feedback in WhatsApp to my personal number, in the group also. Of course, in the group, very less number of members have responded. Many members have sent their personal experience. On taking a total account of the feedback received, I wish to give more focus to the members so that the missing dots could be very well connected. All the members, irrespective of who felt the blissful experience, those members who felt that nothing had happened to them, between these two, everyone stay. But it is only a small correction needed from our point of view. The reason is, some members have indicated that there was an advertisement. The ad was disturbing me. Suddenly some Hanuman mantra entered. Suddenly some other chanting entered. Suddenly some other unconnected music entered. In the beginning, I was very clear in indicating that under any circumstances, please do not open your eyes. That was the condition. What does it mean? Some incident could happen so that will trigger you to open your eyes. You are not supposed to open the eye. But some members should have seen the video with full attention. In order to make the members, give the members more clarity, the introduction quantum leap was given. Like any other video, I do not keep the members in dark. I give very clear. But members will have to focus little more attention on my video and listen, not casually. Casually listening only will lead to such kind of experience or no experience. Let us come to this conclusion. Let us understand this. I had very clearly indicated, let us forget about the surroundings. We are not to be concerned about the surroundings. But the surrounding disturbance of ads, advertisements, some sloka interfering from the YouTube ad, those are the surroundings which we are not supposed to be concerned at all. Our focus is 100%. Definitely the result will also be multiplied and given back to us. Let us try again, then we will achieve. Okay? The ads were holding you in merging, because when we take a journey on the spiritual way, these are the kind of hindrances that could hamper our journey. When you are concentrating something on the divinity, some ads will come, something attractive will come, something will detract our attention too. Some sound will come, some images will come, some object will come. We have to be away from all these things. Unless we are away from all these kleshas, all these obstructions, and until we put a lock to our panchendriyas, the eye is closed. But to compensate the eye, we are more focusing on our smell. To compensate our not speaking through silence, we are more focusing on external sounds. All these things happen subconsciously, which we will have to be very much aware in dhyana. The main focus of yesterday, merging silently or silent merging, is losing ourselves. We have not lost ourselves because of our indriya being focused on the external. We have to withdraw all our senses. Until we withdraw our senses from the external disturbance or external attractions, there is no condition that we are withdrawing our senses. Let us be little more aware. Let us focus on this. Withdrawing senses, losing ourselves, not bothered about the external sound, external disturbance, are the main focus on silent merging. Where we have failed is these are the missing dots which we need to connect. I did not lose, you did not lose, we did not lose. And when we are present, the divinity will not come to us and we will not merge with the divinity. I will have to say here that the moment we enter the dhyana or the moment we started the process, we should have become a sugar or a salt doll to be dissolved in water. But the not being able to experience what we expected of losing ourselves is as a result we were becoming a strong stone statue. The hindrances what we faced is because of we becoming a very strong statue of a stone which will not dissolve in the water. The moment we are ready to dissolve in the water, how it is possible? I have already told, a Swamiji was holding a meeting with his Sishyas. He wanted to conduct a dhyana or meditation. It was heavily raining outside, just now it had stopped. But when he asked every individual to be in silent, the same way what we did, but outside the frogs were croaking. The croaking of the frogs was a major disturbance probably for some members of the group and the Swamiji himself. Swamiji, having been offended by this continued sound, opened the window and peeps out and shouts at the frogs, "Why you are croaking? Do you not know that we are all in meditation here? I am leading the meditation here." And closed the door. But still the sound started continuing. But one student from the group just asked a question, "Swamiji, can we make an attempt by withdrawing our senses?" Swamiji understood. Why should outside disturbance be disturbing us? Then he invoked that kind of energy which made him to guide the students to withdraw the senses, the mouth, the ears, the nose and the skin. The eye is already closed. The nose is already involved in breathing or regulation of the breathing. The more troublesome is the ears or the skin, the sparsh. Once you control these things, you will definitely be able to achieve. Please make an attempt. Because at the most what we can do is we can close the door. At the most what we can do is switch off the light. At the most what we can do is keep away from mosquitoes and other insects biting us by keeping some repellent. But we cannot stop the chirping of the birds. We cannot hold the howls. We cannot stop the barking of the dogs or screaming of the dogs, we cannot stop the croak of the frogs also. The children will be playing outside, shouting, because they don't have a playground, they will be shouting. We can go and tell them not to shout, but they will never be in a listening mode. So we may have to adjust with these things. Now, all your experiences shared are not inferior. Please understand. All your experiences are just one layer below the Supreme. Because you are in the queue and you have gone little and reached the almost the top. Only one layer is pending. That layer, if you crack it, you have achieved. So, next time when you open the YouTube, silent merging, first listen to Quantum Leap, 100% listen. Don't listen casually. Then go to silent merging. Make the second attempt. You are bound to merge. You are bound to lose yourself. You are bound to come alive with much more spiritually coated golden glue will be your whole being. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.